All right, the suspect who police say shot and killed 3 men in town visiting Osceola County over the weekend is now being held without bond in jail.
Ahmed Bourget had previously been found not guilty by reason of insanity for a shooting 5 years ago at a gas station. As West 2 investigative reporter Justin Shecker found, the suspect was not supposed to have access to guns.
Good morning, sir. Could you please state your name and date of birth?
29-year-old Ahmed Bourget didn't say a word as he stood with his head down during his first appearance Sunday.
Yeah, he seems to be invoking that right to remain silent.
The judge found there was probable cause for his arrest on 3 first-degree murder charges.
Defendant will be held without bond pending either an Arthur hearing or a pretrial detention hearing.
Osceola County Sheriff Christopher Blackman says the 3 men Bourget is accused of shooting and killing Saturday afternoon had extended their stay at the rental home on Indian Point Circle because of car trouble.
It's cold-blooded. It was premeditated.
Deputies have identified the victims as 71-year-old Robert Kraft from Holland, Michigan, his 68-year-old brother Douglas Kraft from Columbus, Ohio, and 69-year-old James Puchan, also from Columbus.
There was absolutely no issues. There was no conflict between these people. This was just random, and this happened to be the person who lived next door.
This is the home where deputies arrested 29-year-old Ahmed Bourget on Saturday. Nobody answered the door when we knocked Monday morning. As part of their investigation, deputies are reviewing video of the deadly shootings from security cameras on the rental home.
I can tell you he was a threat to that neighborhood all the time. We had a lot of calls for service on this person in that area, so he was a known person, a frequent flyer to the sheriff's office.
In May 2021, the sheriff's office arrested Bourget for shooting at random into cars at a Wawa gas station in Kissimmee. While Bourget faced attempted murder and aggravated battery charges, court records show a judge found him not guilty by reason of insanity. The court ordered Bourget to undergo mental health treatment, and he shall not own, possess, or have access to firearms or any other illegal weapons. During a search of Bourget's family home,
we found 2 weapons there. We're going to make sure, send them off the lab to see if they were actually used in the commission of the crime.
On X, Florida Attorney General James Uthmeier criticized State Attorney Monique Worrell, saying, quote, "It appears she didn't put up a fight to Bourget's use of the insanity defense, and he was allowed to go free." The AG has also called on lawmakers to change the state statute for that type of criminal defense.
Moral incapacity should only be used during sentencing to determine if someone should spend the rest of their life in prison or in a high-security hospital.
Covering Osceola County, Justin Shecker, West 2 investigates.
State Attorney Worrell's office issued a statement saying it was, quote, shameful for Florida's Attorney General to politicize the tragic deaths of those 3 people. She also says, quote, suggesting that a prosecutor failed to put up a fight because a judge ruled a defendant incompetent reflects a fundamental lack of understanding of how the criminal legal system works. Prosecutors argue cases within the confines of the law. Judges decide them, unquote.